Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. First of all, I want to let you know we've had a lot of people registering for the webinar course that I'm teaching this Thursday night. And it is about, we're calling it how to stay in the right stock. But there's a lot more to it than that. I'm talking about how you can identify tops, like early ways and pretty decisive ways to figure out whether a stock that is kind of trading sideways is one that you want to be looking to buy or one that you want to be looking to blow out of your portfolio or maybe even short. So I'm going to be giving you some specific things to be looking for. You'll also get a checklist so that you'll be able to use it going forward in your own trades. So definitely check that out. If you're a non-member, sign up for a free trial and then you can come to the webinar because it is members only. So, and again, you could always cancel later if you want. I don't care, but I want to see you there. I do care, but I'd like to see you there. Anyway, let's look at Fathom. Okay, so I covered this last week on this breakout. Pretty aggressive move back here. It kind of solidified. It kind of traded sideways for a bit, and then finally today, this thing broke out again. So as I first looked at this, it feels like, I mean, you're definitely chasing it. If you're buying it here, you're absolutely chasing it. I would prefer to see the stock at some point kind of give us some kind of a pullback close to like if we'll say this was the breakout level right about there. I'd like to see it come back and give you a second bite at the apple. Right now, if you're chasing it, how far down do you allow it to go before you have to sell it and say, oh crap, I'm wrong? Now, I'm not going to go into great detail here, and this is why. Members, I actually do go into great detail on this trade in tonight's strategy session, so I don't want to belabor the point here. I just want to point out that this is a stock that has some really, really good upside momentum. If you look at the weekly chart, you can probably get a good idea of what it's going to look like. Here it is. The weekly chart shows this stock in a really, really super strong uptrend, and I think it's one that you definitely want to own it. If you're in, and I know some of our people are, if you're in, just stay in. Stock looks, I mean, the way this thing's going, it could easily hit 30 tomorrow, but I'm just saying it's late right now for you to be buying the stock. You want to say, I want the best entry or no entry at all. That's what the deal is, okay? All right, I'll see you guys. New members or people that want to be new members, I'll see you Thursday. And everybody else, you know what? I'll see you when I see you.